In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design using Canva in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head on over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the screen. Canva offers multiple sign-in options, making it quite user-friendly. You can log in with Google, Facebook, or simply with your email, so choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Canva homepage. Here you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is a helpful tool to quickly find a template that suits the design you're aiming to create. Whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or perhaps a poster, you can search by those terms or even by specific sizes that you need. But what if you want something a little more custom? No problem at all. Just click on the Create a Design button and then select Custom Size. Here you can input the exact dimensions you need, ensuring your design is perfectly tailored to your project. Once you've got your template or custom size selected, it's time to start having some fun with the design elements. Over on the left sidebar, you'll find a plethora of options to enhance your design. You can add images, icons, and shapes, or even incorporate videos. This extensive range of elements allows you to get creative and make your design truly stand out. Text is just as crucial as images, so let's add some text boxes. Canva makes it easy for you to choose fonts and customize text styles, colors, and effects. This ensures that your text not only conveys the right message, but looks great too. You can also resize, rotate, and position these elements using Canva's intuitive bounding box and alignment tools, giving you complete control over your composition. Once you're satisfied with the layout, consider choosing a background. A solid color can create a clean look, while an image background can add depth to your design. Canva provides both options, allowing you to decide based on your overall vision. When your masterpiece is ready, it's time for the finishing touches, downloading and sharing. Canva offers various formats for download: PNG, JPG, and even PDF, making it flexible for all sorts of uses. If you'd like to share your design directly, you can do so via a link or post it straight to social media. And there you have it, you've designed a stunning piece using Canva in just 5 minutes. Thanks for following along and happy designing.